Today we're in the city of Chicago. From this rooftop deck, you have panoramic views of the entire city. You can see downtown, the medical center, United Center, and you're right near the Eisenhower Expressway.
You're at the center of everything.
Super convenient, anywhere you want to go. Everything inside this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo was brand new in 2013 when it was finished. The current owner has also made many personal upgrades. The beautiful hardwood floors, very modern finishes, gorgeous open floor plan. You'll love the balcony, the panoramic views, and the rooftop, which is great for hanging out or gardening. If you'd like to see this home or any other, give me a call, shoot me a message. I'm Ruth Sheehan.
And Tim Berglund of the Ruth Sheehan team at eXp Realty.
We'll see you on the next video.